Today I'm doing something that I've been meaning to do for a really long time. Make my daughter a cookbook. She has a lot of my recipes because she said, "I love the way you cook, Mom." We have our cookbook. And isn't this beautiful? Eat and kitchen. And it has recipes. Good vibes only, which means good cooking only, right? Put it over the sheet and I cut it with my scissors and made it like so. Now the second thing is I'm going to laminate it. It's pretty smart, huh? So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi and welcome again to Danny's Angle and Danny's Craft Corner. Today I'm doing something that I've been meaning to do for a really long time. Make my daughter a cookbook. Because she's been after me. She has a lot of my recipes because she said, "I love the way you cook, Mom." So I've printed out recipes and given it to her. But today I'm going to make it really nice. And I got this kind of cookbook. And I don't remember because I did get it a few years ago. I was going to get both my daughters one of these. And it's easy access. So, it's not big and bulky. And she could just pull it out and say, "Oh, okay, there we go." And that's what I'm going to do. So before I tell you what you need, grab a cup of coffee. Now, I don't remember where I got this. I think I got this in the dollar store. And it was so cute. It came with a pen, So it just it said joy, choose joy. And they had a lot of different ones. Good vibes only, which means good cooking only, right? And these I did get in the dollar store. If you're a good bakery, if you have bakery recipes, you maybe want to use that. And with coffee and tea. It's just a lot of nice stuff. And so what I'm going to do is I printed these out and I put them on my iPad, printed them out, and I'm going to cut them and paste them in the book. And that's what we're going to do. And they also have this one. This was cute. If you're good at the bar and you make good drinks, it's happy hour. Is that cute? It came with a lot of cute tags, which I love. So come on into my craft corner and let's make a cookbook that I've been meaning to make for a really long time. And I think it's a cute Mother's Day gift. Don't you think so? If you have a talent, if you cook or you sew or you have something crafts, and you want to put it in a book so you could have somebody refer to it, that's great, isn't it? So let's do it. Come on into my craft corner and make a little cookbook that I think you're going to like. Okay, one of the first things I did was I took one of these pages as a pattern and I put it over the sheet and I cut it with my scissors and made it like so. Now the second thing is I'm going to laminate it. It's pretty smart, huh? So we're going to laminate it. I love this little laminator. I got this at Amazon. And I'm going to laminate it because, when you cook, you always get sauce or everything in the on your cookbooks. I know I've done a lot of damage to my cookbooks that I got about 30 years ago, and they're just full of sauce and everything else. So this is really smart to do. And then I'm going to cut that and I'm going to put that in the cookbook. So we'll come back when I have those cut and then we're going to paste them right in the cookbook. I think that's a great idea, don't you? Come on. I like this. I got this in Amazon. This CRENOVA. It was really, I use that a lot. So we'll come back when we have more done. After I laminate it, I'm going to cut it right down the middle. And then we're going to paste that right into the book with my glue gun. See how nice that is? She can just wipe it off when she gets it dirty. And I'm waiting for the glue my glue gun to get hot. You want your glue gun to be really hot. So we'll come back when the glue gun gets hot. But you just wanted to cut that and then go. I glued the clam chowder one in there. Next I'm going to do the Swedish meatballs, but I'm going to skip a few pages. And this also makes, these pages aren't that thick, so it really makes it thicker, which is what you really want. So you want to get that glue on the ends. And you want that glue gun to be really hot too. And you want to just put that on like so. And just put that in there. Keep doing that. And we'll come back when we have it done. But before that, I think I'm going to also put something on here, like maybe, what do you say we put kitchen on there, huh? And these are cute. They peel right off and they peel right on. They stick on. How about eat? Eat is a good one. And this is what you can do. I mean, you could place these inside too. Maybe a fork and a spoon put inside. But we'll come back when we get this done. So we have our cookbook. And isn't this beautiful? Eat and kitchen. And it has recipes. And I can and the spoons on the fork. No, asparagus soup we have, and clam chowder. And I mean, you could get ones with thicker paper, which probably would have been a good idea, but, you know, stuffing, and, you know, she's got things, and I'm just going to keep adding to this, because I have a lot of recipes, beef stroganoff, so it's really nice. And this is, you know, you can make a couple of them, and give it as a gift even. It's really, really nice. But I think for Mother's Day, this is a perfect gift. I think also I'll put, she also likes coffee and tea. She's like me. You know, I like tea, coffee, but I'm a coffee buff. I love coffee, and I like a good coffee. And I think that looks really, really nice. Don't you? So we'll come back and I'll close it out. This really turned out nice, and I'm going to be adding my other recipes after the video is over. But, you know, for now, I wanted to give you a gist of what I was doing. And I like this. I put eat on here, and they stick really nice. Kitchen. Then I have my fork and spoon. And just, it really makes it nice. So, I like this because it's small, like I said. And she could pull it out. My clam chowder here, and let's see. My beef stroganoff. And what else in there? My stuffing. Yeah, my stuffing. And I'm going to be adding my Swedish meatballs to this. And I skip a few pages. And what do you think? I think she's going to like this a lot. And you can give this as a gift or whatever, and I finally made it. I'm proud of myself. Do you know, I like doing crafts. I made a jacket when I did stand-up, and it was really turned out nice. A jean jacket, and I made a design on it. I can't find things that I had on that jacket. I've been to Michael's, I've been on Amazon, I've been to the dollar store, and I can't quite find it. They're not big, like at a car, and it was really nice. So what I'm going to do is I did find some things which I'm going to use, and eventually I want to make a jean jacket and show you how I did it. When people would go, when I did stand-up, I love your jacket. So I think you might like it too, and it's fun to create your own things. Sometimes put studs on things or whatever. It makes it nice, and it makes it from you, and people go, oh, I like that. I made pearl booties, and people will stop me and say, I like your booties. And I said, well, I made the pearls on there. They go, wow, that's really nice. I said, yeah. And things like that, because it takes you apart that you're different. And that's what I like. So, come again to Annie's Angle. I love to cook. I'm a cooking machine. I love cooking. I love crafts. I'm a fitness instructor. I like talks, but most of all, I like being with you. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and for those of you who have commented on my video, thank you. Thanks for taking the time, your time to comment on my videos, because it really helps me grow. So thank you for that, and come again. We'll be cooking up a storm. So have a real nice day. Thank you for stopping in Annie's Angle. Bye-bye for now.